Very exciting video, guys. I have two brand new items from Louis Vuitton to unbox with you. And I would be willing to place a bet, and I have not searched YouTube yet, but I would bet there are no videos on either of these items. And I think they're both very interesting. Oh, and they're affordable, which is how I ended up with them. So stick around to see what I got and see if you might want to get some too. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury, living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Two unboxings. Becca, my sales associate at the Louis Vuitton Houston Galleria, helped me acquire these items. The big one is available on the website right now. The little one is sold out, but she was able to get one for me. I don't know how available that item is, so if you're interested in the little one, you can ask her and she can try to get it for you. I think we should start with the large item. It's quite heavy. Does that give you any hints as to what it may be? It's going to be a little difficult to get it out because I'll need two hands. Set that lovely saffron bag, that's a bag, down. Here's the box. The ribbon is not on the boxes because Becca opened it up so we could take a look at it before I left the store, made sure everything was okay. But the ribbon is inside the boxes, and here we go. Ribbon inside the box, gift card inside the box. This is a brand new book from Louis Vuitton. It was just released in January or February. It's called Manufactures, and this is the English version. Be careful what version you get. They have French and English available in the United States. I don't know if they have other languages elsewhere. And I don't know, I think this book is pretty photograph heavy. I don't know how much text is in it. Get the plastic off here. Based on the description of the book online, it appeared to be, their books are so nice. It appeared to be a book about Louis Vuitton's manufacturing process. And I thought, well, that's interesting. I like to know all things Louis Vuitton, so this is a book that I must have, and it was only $95. Some of their books are quite a bit more than that, and it's published by Autumnbeckman, which does some very, very expensive books. They had one that they did, or maybe still do, for Tiffany's. It's a huge book. I have the little small version of it somewhere. It's not behind me. I thought it was. It's over there somewhere. Windows at Tiffany is what it's called. Anyway, that one was like $30. The big version of that by this publisher, is it like $700? $1,700? I don't know. Something like that. Point being, $95 is an excellent price for this. There's a dog. Baron, what on earth are you doing? He's right here. I have a table in front of me that you can't see, and he's on my table. Did you need something? There's no food up here at all. Are you all right? You're looking at my book. You're adorable. Sit in the chair. Well, right off the bat, I can say I wish this had a dust cover because I just very gently ran my fingernail across the cover to see if it was fabric, because it feels like fabric, and it left a little scratch mark. And it seems like I've been able to rub that out, but be careful. Here's the cover, and that is printed on a fabric. Louis Vuitton is in gold, a metallic gold, and it is debossed, where it's pressed into the cover. There's the spine. Same thing with all the text here that's gold. There's the back. And then this photo is on a different material. I think it was actually, yeah, it's attached to the book later. It's not printed directly onto the cover. It's printed on a separate surface and then attached. The end sheets are red on both ends. And of course I won't go through every page of the book, but the Louis Vuitton website doesn't tell you a ton about what to expect. So let me see if I can find a table of contents to give you a little better idea, and perhaps a quick flip through. Is there a table of contents? There doesn't seem to be one. It seems to just go straight into the book. It does look like it's primarily photographs. I'll show you some in just a second here. Every once in a while you see a sentence or a little blurb, for example this, but otherwise I'm going to flip through this for you. You can see that it's pictures. The whole thing is pictures. It's not much to read. There you go. So that gives you a better idea of what to expect. I don't see a bookmark. There's no bookmark in it. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun looking through this. I think if you're someone who's really into Louis Vuitton and you want to know more about the behind the scenes stuff, this would be a great purchase for you. Another great purchase if it's available, where is it? The green book here. That's the Louis Vuitton City Bags book. It's a history of Louis Vuitton handbags, and I've talked about that before. It goes in detail about a lot of the different designs, how there are sort of families of designs like the Noe bags and all the different Noe bags that have been made and how they're made and pictures of the different pieces of them, how they're put together, and just all these things about it. Fantastic resource. And I think this book could be a great resource as well. Now let's get into the small bag. A book, of course, is a piece of art, especially a book as nice as that. And that's why I went into some of the details on the book there that some people aren't going to care about. That's fine. People who are into books will appreciate those details. Here's the little box, and I know it's not in a dust bag, so when I open this, you're just going to see what it is. It's a noisy box. Some ASMR for you. This item comes with this Louis Vuitton tag. It says it's 100% cotton, made in Italy, and wash up to 30 degrees Celsius. It also came with the item number tag attached. The item number is M77439 if you're interested. And it is the Louis Vuitton denim scrunchie. That's right, I bought a designer Louis Vuitton scrunchie. Why would I do such a thing? Let's talk about that in just a second. Let's look at this first. A lot of the other scrunchies, maybe all of the other scrunchies I've seen from Louis Vuitton are silk, just like their bandeaus. Same material as far as I can tell. This is definitely different. It feels more like denim, but it feels not like denim. It's not like blue jean material. It says it's 100% cotton. It's a heavy cotton. It's nice and thick. It has substance to it. And one of the reasons I haven't purchased a Louis Vuitton scrunchie at this point before now, mostly I haven't liked the ones they've come out with, but there is this one set of 2 scrunchies, and I like one of the scrunchies in that set, but what I really don't like about the scrunchies that I've seen, even if I liked the patterns that were on them, is that they're 2-sided, so each side is different. It's pretty just to look at it like sitting on a table or something. When I wear a scrunchie in my hair, I have to twist it 2 or 3 times, and I feel like a lot of the 2 different patterns don't go all that well together and would be difficult to style with an outfit. The denim one here is the same pattern on both sides. It has the darker denim with the white LVs all around, but then it fades into medium and then into a light denim there, and I think that's a nice enough difference where you get some interest in the pattern without it being totally different and making it difficult to match. I was drawn to this one because it's blue denim. I wear blue jeans every single day, so this will go with every single outfit I ever wear. This is bigger than the scrunchies that I'm used to wearing. I usually wear just the regular sized ones. I'm glad it's not really oversized because I don't like those. It says on the website that you can wear these in your hair or around your wrist, and often if you wear a scrunchie around your wrist, it's not comfortable. This one, the elastic band is big enough to start that it doesn't have to stretch that much to be on your wrist. So you could definitely wear it like that if that's a look you like. Personally, that's not a look I like. I got this just to wear in my hair. It does have this one really nice little detail, which is right here. It has this little gold toned LV inside of a circle, a little metal piece. So that's nice. I have a different scrunchie in my hair right now. Let me go ahead and put this in and see how well it does. Because some scrunchies can be really annoying. Oh, here, regular size scrunchie. Louis Vuitton scrunchie. Quite a bit bigger, but not enormous. Not obnoxious. All right, it's in. Sorry, Baron, I just knocked him in the head because he's sitting in my way. Well, hello. I feel like Winnie B. LV at the end of her videos. I'm gonna turn around here so you can see this thing. Hopefully you can see that and that's in focus. I have no idea because I can't see the screen. I wrapped it around just twice. Because of the thickness of the scrunchie itself, hello again, it made it difficult to do it a 3rd time. So I'll be curious to see whether it stays in my hair with only the 2 wraps, since that original circle size circumference, that's what that's called, was kind of big. Let's compare that to the circumference of the regular scrunchie. For those scrunchie aficionados out there, I don't know, it's a little bit difficult to tell because the fabric bunches up, but maybe they're about the same size. I can get it wrapped around 3 times. I just did that. Let's see how that looks. Okay, there's how it looks 3 times wrapped around. Should I film all my videos this close? By the way, since I said these were affordable, the scrunchie, though quite expensive for a scrunchie, is affordable for Louis Vuitton, $275. The set of of 2, which is a really nice set if you can deal with the 2 different patterns. I think that one's only about $3.75, so you get an extra one for $100 more. A lot for a scrunchie, but they are very pretty. Also, I just saw this denim scrunchie on the RealReal for $600 or $700. What are they thinking? So if you're interested, don't wait for the pre-loved market on this one. This is something to buy in store, just like the book. Oh, and Becca had this little itty bitty baby capucine with a snake handle. It was so beautiful. I dare one of you to go buy it. Now you're thinking $275 for a scrunchie? That's outrageous. Yes, it is. But here's how I justify it. I wear scrunchies every single day, all day long. About the only time I don't wear them is when I'm filming a video. I usually have my hair down, and then it goes right back up in a scrunchie. This scrunchie, going with every outfit because it's denim, I will wear every single day. So that cost per wear thing, I will wear it for years and years, and I don't lose scrunchies, so I'm not afraid of losing it. So it's a very easy item for me to justify, even though, yes, it is outrageous. Obscene even. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you learned something. Hope you saw 2 things that you've never seen before on YouTube or at Louis Vuitton. I always enjoy bringing fresh, unique content to you. Anyway, the video's over. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye. Now this is more Winnie B, isn't it? And don't forget to contact Becca. Her number will be linked below so you can text her. Do it now.